So we have already installed WordPress and we can access our dashboard from typing the domain name /wp-admin. It takes you to the panel where it asks you for the ID and password. Once you're done, it takes you to the dashboard. Let's start configuring a welcome page. For that, go to plugins, add new, search for a plugin called search for coming soon. You'll find a lot of good plugins. Coming soon page under maintenance. So let's try this plugin. How do you check which plugin to use? You can check how latest it was updated and how many installations it already have, how many people are using this. So here it shows that 1+million active installations. So it's running, this plugin is running on 1+million active websites and it's compatible with your WordPress. There would be a lot of plugins which does the same work, but you can choose the top, or maybe you can choose when it was updated and you can check with the installations. Click on install now. Right now we are configuring our coming soon page. As we have already made our website live because we have been working directly on live domain and hosting, so anybody who comes on our website should see something is coming soon. Meanwhile, we will complete our site. Let's activate this. Once installed, go and activate. As of now, this is disabled. We have activated the plugin, but our coming soon is disabled. Let's enable coming soon mode. Save. Let's see if it is visible. So it's not visible as of now. Why? Because we are already logged in here, but it would be visible to somebody who is logged out user. So a common user who is coming to your website. We can check this on incognito window. You can see here it says get ready, something is coming, something really cool is coming soon. So anybody who clicks on your website, who comes to your website by typing your domain name, sees this thing. We can make this more classy. Let's see how. We can do some changes in the plugins. We can put a nice design. If I have a logo, I can put here. If I need to change this line, I can put this thing. In case I have a message for users, I can do that. I can also put some images. Let's click on design. Also, it has some pro themes where you can actually put a timer and when it is coming soon, you can put a counter. Also, you can change the background color. Also, you can change a background image. Say, for example, as of now, our website is this color. Let's say I want to put it to a color red. I've just changed it to the red. If I want to put an image, I can choose some image. As of now, nothing is in our media. I can upload some image and put it here, and I can take some free images altogether, but I will have to upload it here. And I'm putting the text color, since I've made it red, so I'm putting the text color white, and I'm just saving all the changes. I had made some changes here. I can change the font style, I can put the logo, I can put the image, and I'm saving all the changes. I have saved all the changes. Go to the incognito window and refresh. We are seeing something here, get ready, something is really coming soon, something really cool is coming soon. I can change the color. As of now, my headline color was gray. I've changed it to white. If you refresh, you see this. In case I want to put some images, or also I can ask people to fill in their details, but this comes with a pro version, so we're not using this as of now, but we can surely put one image. Let's take some image. I go to pixels.com. I am typing coming soon In case there is some relatable thing with your website, you want to put something, a flower or any other background, you can. So I can put this under construction image. Our website is under construction. So I go to free download. I want a small size, a medium size would do, which is 1280 into 851 pixels. I download this image and I will upload it here to media library. I drag this image. Once it is uploaded, all I have to do is insert into post. Now I can even remove the text, or in case I want to put the text, it's okay. Save all changes. Come to incognito, refresh, or you can also check it in your phone. So now you can see, get ready, something really cool is coming soon under construction. So we are done setting up our welcome page, which is a coming soon page as of now, till the time we get our website ready in the backend. So all the things which you will do here would be visible to you, because I cannot see the home page, which is the landing page which we have set up. This is for common users who are not signed in, but I am seeing a basic theme here, which is 2020 by WordPress. I need to configure my theme, add more plugins, and get my website ready. And then I will disable the coming soon mode, and I can make my site visible to everyone. So that's how you can first configure a coming soon page and then start working on your website simultaneously.